Welcome back to Ctube channel. Today we introduce a widely used conduit in Australian and New Zealand market, the orange electrical conduit. Known for its high performance and versatility, orange conduit is a popular choice in these regions. In this market, orange electrical conduit is made into heavy duty by default. According to AS/NZS 2053.1 2001, heavy duty conduit must withstand 1,250 Newton compaction force. In addition, in this market, in contrast to the orange conduits, there are gray and white conduits. Gray and white conduits are usually medium duty, with a compaction force of 750 Newton according to the standard. Gray and orange conduit are usually used in the electrical installation, while white is primarily used in telecommunications. Different color conduit has specific application, helping engineers select the right solution for their projects. Heavy-duty rigid orange electrical conduit is typically used for underground applications according to the installation requirements for customer cabling, published by Communication Alliance Limited, formerly Australian Communication Industrial Forum Limited. PVC orange electrical conduit is usually available in two types, rigid conduit and flexible conduit. The rigid conduit is usually evaluated based on factors like barrier depth, the environment to design the installation with, such as direct bearing or concrete encasement. The flexible orange conduit is not recommended for underground application, in particular for direct barrier. If you are looking for a suitable solution for your projects, then Ctube might be a good choice. We are a professional PVC conduit supplier, and our products have complied with AS/NZS 2053 standard. We are listed and CSA certified. Available in sizes and colors, our products cater to multiple applications while offering customization options to meet specific project requirements. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about our products, follow our channel or contact us directly. Good luck with your projects.